Video. So this hair review will be over the hair that I have in right now, but before I go into the details, I'm going to do the unboxing and the wig install, and then I'll be back. The wig comes in a clear package with the company name on it. Here is how the wig looks straight out of the package. It has pretty full waves. I love the waves on this wig. You cannot tell this is a synthetic wig at all. Here is the cap construction. It looks like the typical synthetic wig construction in the inside, just without the lace. It has these adjustable straps in the back. It also has 3 combs, one on each side of the front, and also has a comb in the back. So here is where the lace would be if it had lace. So this made me very, very nervous if I could pull this wig off, but we'll see in the install right here. The good thing about this wig is that it comes pre-parted, as you see right here. I am going to part it a little bit more so it can look a little bit more natural. I also like whatever material they put under it to make it look like it is skin a little bit. Now it's time to get this wig on and get the sleigh right. I'm just examining the wig to see how I can make it look natural. So I decided that I have 6 cornrows in the back, so I'm going to try to bring out my natural part just a little bit. I'm about to use ZaaBox gel and get my part out from my natural hair just a little bit to make it look a little better. I know some people are scared to use ZaaBox glue on their natural hair, but if y'all take y'all time and use soapy water and wash this stuff out your hair, it doesn't leave any residue, it doesn't tear your hair out, it doesn't do any of that. So just take your time and wash the product out your hair when it's time to remove your wig and your braids. Here I'm just lining up my part with the part on the wig. Next I'm going to take this e.l.f. face powder and put it onto the part to make it look more natural. The last thing I'm going to do is take some ZaaBox glue and make some baby hairs and gel the front of the wig down the way I would like for it to look. So when I got this wig, I was extremely nervous if I was going to be able to pull it off, because I've never had a wig that didn't have any lace, that I did not want to leave any hair out, but I did not want to leave any hair out. So let me tell y'all about the details of this wig. This is from the company Armmu. They sent this to me. Armmu is an Amazon seller. It's located in the US, so you don't have to worry about long delays and customs. You know that you're going to receive your hair soon. So I have done, I want to say, about 4 reviews for this company. I haven't been disappointed yet. This is 28 inches long body wave hair, and it is 100% synthetic without any lace. For this to be synthetic, I love this hair. It's not too shiny. The curls are beautiful. It's like a real loose wave. I am 4'11" and the hair comes to my waist. What I love about this wig is that although it's synthetic, it doesn't have that fake feel where the hair gets real tangled, you actually can run a comb through it without having tangles. And I'm gonna show you right here. So this is the hair, and you see how easy the comb goes through it, just like if it was real hair. Yes, I'll notice if it has any tangles or not, but so far it doesn't look like it's going to tangle a lot like normal synthetic wigs do. I did not customize this wig as you've seen in the install video, so you probably can cut some layers if you wanted to, but I'm going to leave it as it is because I love these waves and I love how long it is. Like I said, I was nervous about the install because it didn't have any lace, but you see I was able to work my magic and get it to look, you know, decent. It is what it is. This is a wig. It's not going to look 100% natural, but you can do certain things to make it look better, fit your standards. So you get what you pay for. I think this is a very good wig for the price, and I will recommend this to anyone looking for a cheap option. So that is all I have for this video, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them below. Until next time, guys, bye.
Bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing, 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 bouncing around, bouncing around.